Today I'm going to show you how to change leaf color to any color in Adobe Photoshop. First go to the layers, then click on the channel mixer. In the output channel, select red. Set red to 0%, green to 200%, and blue to -100%. Then, click on Hue Saturation, select yellow, and move it to 30 degrees. Delete the layer mask. Then go to Select and click on Subject. Apply a layer mask and press Command-I. Now, go to Hue and choose the color you like. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.